Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the AquaLung Defense Duffel Bag. So this is a decent sized kit bag. It's on the smaller side of large, if that makes sense. You can fit most of your kit inside of this. You've got about 85 litres of internal volume. But the biggest thing about this bag is the tough tarpaulin material and the heat welded seams. So that means that it's completely watertight except for the zipper. So you can actually fill this up with water, turn it into a water trough, and actually dunk your kit in to wash it with sort of fresh water after a dive. Afterwards, you can then use this little drainage port down at the bottom, unscrew that and then drain it. Or if you've got all of your wet kit inside of it, then one, it's all contained, so it's not going to leak out all over your car. And then you can sort of drain it sort of all in the bag. And vice versa, if you've got dry stuff that you want to keep dry, put it inside. The zipper along the top is actually covered up by the flap. So even if it's raining or you get a bit of spray over the side of the boat, it's not going to go straight through that zipper. It's got to do some to actually get to that zipper. So this tough tarpaulin, they've done it in this kind of silver material because they say it helps contain the, or sort of maintain the temperature on the inside. So if you're leaving it out in the sun, it actually reflects a little bit, which is quite clever. All the usual handles on it, you've got two great big grab handles, so you can lug it around. It also comes with a detachable shoulder strap, which if you don't want it, you can just disconnect that, which I might do now just to make it a little bit easier for you guys to see the inside. Undoing the handle, so these have got a nice bit of sort of chunky tubing inside of that, just to give you something a little bit to grip and it's not going to dig into your hands too much. Two grab handles on either side, I should notice, sort of big chunky handles. You can grab hold of that and sort of lug the bag around, same on the far side. The main zipper, double zipper, so you can get into it really easily. And then on the big flap, one nice thing is that on the flap itself, you've got this little chart which just basically goes through all of your dive equipment. So as you're putting it in, you can kind of mentally tick it off the list and then look through and just make sure that you put everything in. It probably won't fit everything in if you've got a BCD fins, a big chunky wetsuit and all your bits and bobs. It is a decent sized bag, but I don't think it's going to fit absolutely everything. The inside is just very grey. Grey is quite nice because it kind of, the black, any small black gadgets are going to stand out a little bit more obviously than just a big black cavernous bag. But that's basically it. It's a tough sort of PVC reinforced tarpaulin material, so it's not going to rip or cut anytime soon. And the main selling feature is that it's waterproof. So that way it can keep your dry stuff dry and your wet stuff contained. And then, yeah, you can actually fill it up with water and then you can wash your gear, you can wash your dog, you can do whatever you want inside of it and then drain it with that sort of drainage hole on one side. So it's a smart little bag. It's on the large, I'd call it a moderate sized bag. It's not one of the big sort of 90, 100 litre kit bags, but it's not a small little carry-on sort of duffel bag. It's big enough to fit most of your kit. This is the AquaLung Defense Duffel Bag. Thanks for watching and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.